many feet left?
I am trying to find the swarm. It's somewhere in that tree.
Yeah.
The one that my camera is facing towards. And look, my dad's down there.
Hi.
And that's the box of bees. As you can see, I'm up on my monkey bars to see better. And I am trying to spot. It looks like we're all clear to me. And
Lots of nectar transfer going on.
yeah. And look, that right there, it's a empty trash thing. And
What's that? No, she's the narrator for the video.
Dad had put some tape on it and taped those two poles on, and he used it to bump them off of the branch. And as you can see, we are beekeepers. We now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beehives, so it's very exciting. Thanks for interviewing with Giana the Bee Whisperer. Bye.